members in Gujarat, where he accused them of colluding with the BJP and called for major changes in the party. He's missing from action. While he spoke of radical changes in the Congress in Gujarat to bring changes to the party's fortunes in the state, he now has reportedly taken off to Vietnam again. The BJP has taken a swipe at the leader of opposition, questioning his commitment and priorities and also his own constituency of Raebareli. Expressing concerns, the BJP asserted that as a leader of opposition, he should be more open about his trips outside the country.
अच्छा, राहुल गांधी जी कहाँ हैं? मैंने सुना है फिर वियतनाम गए, तो नया साल भी वियतनाम है, वियतनाम में होली भी वियतनाम में. इतना समय तो अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में नहीं दिया रायबरेली में उन्होंने. राहुल गांधी नीड्स टू एक्सप्लेन his extraordinary fondness for Vietnam. We all respect that country. The PM also went there. But the frequency of his visit to Vietnam is very curious.
देखें कि लोकतंत्र के अंदर विपक्ष का नेता का कहीं भी जाना अपने आप में जानकारी होनी चाहिए, देश को मालूम होना चाहिए कि वो क्यों गए, क्या कारण है, क्यों नहीं बताकर गए. देश को बताकर भी जाना चाहिए. कहीं उनको हर आदमी की अपनी अपनी भूमिका है. इसलिए क्योंकि वो अमेरिका पीछे गए थे, देश की बुराई की थी, कहीं कहीं किसी से मिलने जा रहे हैं तो कोई और अन्य कारण तो नहीं है.
Remember, this is not the first time that Rahul Gandhi's trips abroad have come under the scanner. In January as well, the BJP had questioned the timing of Rahul Gandhi's visit to Vietnam when he had visited the country during the 7-day national mourning period for the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's demise. But the Congress party came out in defense of Rahul Gandhi, giving the defense that he is a global leader with a global outlook and comparing the number of official visits of the Prime Minister abroad with that of Rahul Gandhi's visits.
और मोदी जी की जितनी विदेश यात्रा है, 1 साल के अंदर या 5 साल के अंदर, उतना तो राहुल गांधी जी की भी नहीं है. एक बात है, राहुल गांधी जी का टेम्परामेंट और सोच ग्लोबल है, उसके अनुसार वो अपने आप को तैयार करते हैं. इंटेलेक्चुअल हैं, पढ़ते हैं, लिखते हैं. वो उनका अपना तरीका है जीने का, सोचने का, करने का.
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, this is not the first time that Rahul Gandhi has made news for being out of the country. Previously as well, the BJP has questioned the timing time and again. But this time around, the BJP says that he has an extreme fondness for Vietnam. And he says that, the BJP leader Ravi Shankar Prasad saying that time and again Rahul Gandhi goes to Vietnam. What are these visits about? Take us through what the Congress party has said on this.
Various Congress leaders have responded over the same, but the official response which is coming in on the part of the Congress party is of the media department chief, Mr. Pawan Khera, who has responded over these allegations which are being leveled by the BJP against Rahul Gandhi. As for that reason, the Congress party has said that why this question is not being asked from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that why he hasn't gone to Manipur as till now. As for that reason, Pawan Khera has also said that it is Mr. Narendra Modi who is the Prime Minister of our country, and these questions should be posed before him rather than questioning Rahul Gandhi's foreign visit, because as of now it is a responsibility of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah to visit the states like Manipur, as he has also taken a dig over Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that he had gone to Pakistan uninvited, and not just that, but even his latest visit to United States, the manner in which what the Congress party is saying was an insult which was being done by the President Donald Trump at that particular tour of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to US. For that reason also, the Congress party is questioning that why no question is being posed before him by the other leaders of the BJP, and why they are only interested in the foreign tours of Rahul Gandhi, as he is not the Prime Minister of our country as of now, and when he will become the Prime Minister, then only the Congress party will respond. So this is the statement which is being given by the media department chairman of the Congress party, Mr. Pawan Khera. Apart from that, it is also the Congress leader Udit Raj who has responded over these statements given by Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, as Udit Raj has also questioned that why it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi Modi, who is on a frequent foreign visits, why these questions are not being asked from him, that what is the intention behind these visits which Prime Minister is doing to the other countries. But clearly this has given an opportunity to the BJP to raise a question about Rahul Gandhi, as he is a leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, and for that reason earlier also we have seen that during the time when there was a mourning period which was going on in the country after the demise of former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. At that point of time also it was a visit which was being made by Rahul Gandhi to Vietnam, and at that point of time also BJP had raised a question that when the entire country is mourning over the demise of the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, it is the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha who is on a foreign visit, and once again they have raised this question to him.
Absolutely, because as far as optics are concerned, time and again the BJP has raised questions on these visits to places abroad and has said that Rahul Gandhi is not serious about politics. In fact, the BJP has this time again questioned the priorities, saying it looks like Rahul Gandhi visits Vietnam more than he visits his own constituency of Rai Bareli. The Congress party, though, has responded to it. Let's listen in.
Why isn't Prime Minister going to Manipur? Is Rahul Gandhi the Prime Minister? We demand to know. Amit Shah every 10 days goes to Assam. I don't know why. Why can't he go to Manipur? Why can't the Prime Minister go to Manipur? The country is more interested in knowing why the Prime Minister doesn't travel to Manipur. Why does the Prime Minister travel uninvited to Pakistan, uninvited to the US, gets insulted by Trump there and comes back smiling? That's what the country wants to know. Who's interested? Rahul Gandhi, when he becomes the Prime Minister, of course, will respond to all these questions.
In fact, Rahul Gandhi had been in the headlines recently for training guns at his own cadre in Gujarat, where he had claimed that some within the Congress party were colluding with the BJP. He had in fact even drawn an animal analogy, prompting the BJP to mock him for his statements.
कांग्रेस पार्टी में नेताओं की कमी नहीं है। डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, ब्लॉक लेवल, सीनियर लेवल नेता हैं, बब्बर हैं, मगर पीछे से चेन लगी हुई है और बब्बर शेर बंधे हुए हैं सब। एक बार मेरी मीटिंग हो रही थी, वहां पे शायद मध्य प्रदेश का डेलीगेशन था, एक कार्यकर्ता खड़ा हुआ, कहता है राहुल जी आप एक काम कर दीजिए। मैंने कहा क्या? कहता है दो तरीके के घोड़े होते हैं, एक होता है रेस का, एक होता है शादी का। कांग्रेस पार्टी रेस के घोड़े को बारात में डाल देती है और बारात के घोड़े को रेस में डाल देती है।
So Rahul Gandhi spoke about organizational changes, but has now taken off to Vietnam, which led to some political criticism. With that, let's shift our attention now. There's a massive showdown brewing between the